Hello everyone, and welcome to this first part of a Thanksgiving week railfanning series. In this first episode, I headed over to Mineola on 11/25 to see New York and Atlantic's RS51, the RS80, and two Long Island Railroad M3 sets. These catches added up to be some nice catches, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Up first was train 1580 to Huntington with an M3 set. Next up was train 26 to Montauk, which usually takes track 1 in the middle, but due to the New York and Atlantic RS51, it had to take track 2 instead. About 5 minutes after train 26 had passed, the New York and Atlantic RS51 came through from Coastal with engines 261, 155, and 151. Though it was just a standard trash train, it was cool to see 3 engines instead of the usual 2. As I was crossing to the other platform, train 569 to Jamaica came through, which was 30 minutes late due to a breakdown. After about 30 minutes of waiting, the New York and Atlantic RS80 made it to Mineola with engines 301, 271, and 300, with about 47 cars. I was lucky to get a horn show from the kind crew. Before I left, I made sure to catch train 1585 to Penn, with the same M3 set as train 1580 that came through earlier. I hope you all enjoyed this fun and rainy video of rail fanning at Mineola, and please consider supporting my work by subscribing. Remember to stay tuned for the upcoming parts to this Thanksgiving week rail fanning series. Thank you.